these guys sent me this 20-volt battery-powered telescopic pruner. Let's see what's in the box. It says model number WE20VPS. All right, here's everything that came in the box. I'm gonna assemble this thing. I've never put one of these together before, but it looks totally awesome. So this is by Badger. The blade is right here and the chain is right here. And it comes with the battery and a charger. And I assume that these two pieces go together. Just like a chainsaw, this is the rail, the blade system. Here's the tools. It's like an Allen wrench and a Phillips head, another Allen wrench. Cover for the blade. First thing I'm gonna do is connect this piece to this piece. See those two connector pieces there? It's gonna slide right in here. If you look down in there, you'll see two connector pieces that it connects to. So go ahead and slide that in. Lock this piece right there into that slot there. Next thing we'll do is put this on there. On like a normal chainsaw. Locks in there. Right, here's the chain. It's gonna go around this here. It's gonna go around that blade right there too. Right, just like a regular chainsaw, you put the chain around there first. Okay, now the adjuster on this is right here with this flathead. I'm gonna go ahead and back that up. This piece to be back farther, so that way the chain will go on around there. This thing will fit in there. You want the thing to set like that, right up in there, around there, so I had to adjust it using this, the flathead button right in there. It's hard to see, but we're just going to get it so it's halfway tight. Still kind of loose, and then we'll put this cover on here and not tighten it up all the way. Flip it over. Now we can tighten it up a little bit right in here. That screw there, that's your tightening mechanism. And once we get that tight where we want it, right, just like a regular chainsaw, you want it to snap back. Flip it over how we want it and just crank that down all the way. Slides right in here. There we go. And push down on that button. Oh yeah. I'll show you some of the different features on this thing too. We got it set up, we're ready to cut. Like in less than 5 minutes, we can cut stuff. Got that, got the battery ready to go, got a charger if we need it. And then of course, you know, when we're done using it, got a cover to put over the end too. Put that around your body and it'll support it. You don't have to hold it up. That is awesome. One of the nice features about this, look at this. Press this down and it'll curve directions. That is so useful, you don't even know. So it'll go from 0 locked in to 30 degrees locked in. Really, that's all you need when you're using one of these. It doesn't go 90 degrees, and that's okay. But it'll do, looks like it'll do 0, 15, and then 30 as well. Right now it's at 30. That is perfect. You can reach up and grab those branches. And then even it's got a little hook on it there to kind of pull them down, manipulate them how you need them. To adjust this, all you gotta do is just press in on both sides. There's 30. All right, press back in. All right, now as far as using it, you gotta press down on that button. See if you could just go to squeeze the trigger. Doesn't happen. It's like a safety. Press down on that, and now you're ready. All right, very important. What goes in here is the bar oil right here. And this here is your level indicator. So let's go ahead and add some and see how that looks. See this piece? This is a big extender. So you got to unloosen this and loosen this and then tighten it back up. So you just kind of pull it out. See that? You just kind of pull it this way, pull it up and over, and it'll snap back in just like that. And then if you want to tighten it back up, you can move it this way. That's nice. It's got some locks in there. There we go. That thing's locked. Look how long this thing is. Way out here.